Hi, can DeepSeek actually boost your SEO results? Spoiler, yes. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to create content that Google and your audience will love. Let's get started. Open up your browser. Next, click on the address bar. After that, type deepseek.com. Here is the DeepSeek homepage. Here you will see two options, Start Now and Get DeepSeek app. I'm going to create an account in my web version. To do that, click Start Now. This is the login page. Currently they are super slow because of the crazy demand. So I recommend you to signing up with Google, not email and password, because it will take a long to get email verification code. So click on login with Google. Verify that you are a human now. Then choose your Gmail. Next, click Continue. And here it is. I logged in easily. If you can't, then it seems that due to the recent surge in popularity, DeepSeek is experiencing high server loads. You can try in the morning time. So back into the conversation page. Let's start the conversation with hi message. Oh, it's quite fast, isn't it? Okay, now let's ask how you can help SEO industry. Let's see what he replies. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna ask, are you able to write SEO optimized content? Okay, he can. He replies with long words. And he gives a content outline as well. Okay, that's great. I think this is something different from ChatGPT, isn't it? Now I want to write an SEO optimized content using DeepSeek. So I'm gonna start a normal conversation to understand him what I need. Let's see. Okay, he replies that he understands my requirements. And now he needs my primary keyword and secondary keyword. Okay, this is also different from ChatGPT because ChatGPT never asks to provide primary keyword and secondary keyword. ChatGPT always asks to give him a keyword. ChatGPT never used secondary keyword words. Yeah, particularly secondary keyword. Now I'm gonna fulfill DeepSeek's requirements like tones, target audiences. This time I'm not giving him my keywords. I wanna see another reply what he asks then. Okay, let's ask, should I give you the keyword now? Now I'm gonna give him my keywords like primary and secondary. Okay, that's interesting. Before starting writing the full article, DeepSeek is showing an outline and he is asking my permission. It's really interesting, isn't it? So I'm gonna permit him. Let's see what he writes. Wait for a while. Okay, he included some calculated informations and the article is quite simple, isn't it? But it was excellent. Beg your pardon, might be excellent spelling mistake. Well, now open up the ChatGPT in another tab alongside to compare the article and let's judge whose article gonna be best. I will ask ChatGPT the same questions and see what he says. Let's see. Copy one by one from DeepSeek and paste in the ChatGPT. I'm gonna compare them on my first query. I think DeepSeek was more detailed and then ChatGPT here. And let's copy paste my second query. This time I think ChatGPT is better because ChatGPT explained EEAT but DeepSeek didn't. But DeepSeek gave me an example content where ChatGPT didn't. Here I will give the score equal. Now let's copy paste my third query. Here it is. I was said before that ChatGPT never asked to give him primary keyword and secondary keyword. ChatGPT always asks for a single keyword, where DeepSeek asking for the primary keyword and secondary keyword both. And both primary keywords and secondary keywords are important in SEO content, which DeepSeek knows but ChatGPT doesn't. And another point is DeepSeek asking for the tone and targeted audience, but ChatGPT does not. Okay, now I'm gonna give my tone and targeted audience, and then I will give my keywords to the ChatGPT to generate SEO optimized article. Wait for a while. Okay, ChatGPT delivered. Let's compare both articles. I think DeepSeek is little bit simple and readable rather than ChatGPT. Okay, there is something to check. Do you remember a while ago I said I needed 1000 to 1300 words of content? Let's see how many words they wrote the content with. I'm gonna open word counter. Now copy the DeepSeek's article and paste it into the word counter. Oh my god, only 764 words. Is it okay? I don't think so. In that case, DeepSeek fooled me. Now let's check ChatGPT's article. Copy and paste into the word counter. And ChatGPT only 704. Oh my god. You see, maybe DeepSeek gave us a few more words than ChatGPT, but it's true that both of them fooled us, because the limit we were given was to write an article of 1000 and 1300 words. Now let's check the AI content detector score. Open up the Zero GPT in the new tab alongside. Now copy the DeepSeek article first and paste into the Zero GPT. And the score is 63.24%. Now check ChatGPT score. (65.31%). In that case, DeepSeek was little bit better, but doesn't matter the score because obviously both are AI driven content. Okay, this is for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it is, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the another video. Take care.